Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply it about the quotient rule of derivative. So if we have y equals to a over b, we do first derivative of this one. So we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus we do first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. Now we can apply the formula for this one, and then we have the final answer. First derivative of negative x, you got about negative number 1. First derivative of a, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. So we have negative number 1. This one you have positive number 1. Now we need to expand this one. Similar for this one. So negative x and positive x, we simplify. Negative a, we have negative 2a. Or this is about the power 2 in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.